Is your lawn or landscape business in trouble? Are labor and financial issues piling up, resulting in sales and revenue losses? The solution is Ambrogio Robots. Ambrogio Robots maintain lawns at a consistent height, much like a sprinkler system keeps lawns watered. Today's young workers are excited about robot mowers. Grow your workforce with robots and young talent. Ambrogio robots are all electric, extremely durable, and chock full of innovative features that inspire and motivate young workers. The Ambrogio Fleet Program gives lawn and landscape companies a substantial discount from retail. Your robot fleet equates to money in the bank. What will you do with all of that money? Call 847-960-8520 now to learn more. 847-960-8520. Don't wait and call 847-960-8520 now. We look forward to talking with you.